Lobia, known as cowpea in English, is an oval-shaped bean with a black eye. It's called kidney bean because its shape resembles a kidney. Unlike its name, it's not a pea but a bean belonging to the plant family Fabaceae. Lobia is one of the healthiest foods to include in your diet. It is enriched with good amounts of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These protein portions are so rich that they can help a vegetarian overcome his/her deficiencies from not eating meat. Lobia has a strong, savory flavor, native to the Pakistani, Indian, and traditional cuisine. Let's have a look at lobia's nutrition content. 100 g of lobia contains calories 160 g, fiber 8 g, protein 5 g, carbohydrates 35 g. It contains significant portions of many vitamins and minerals, i.e., copper, thiamine, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, potassium, vitamin B6, selenium, riboflavin. Types of lobia. You may get confused about lobia's types. Let's have a look at what's the difference between white lobia and red lobia. White lobia. White lobia has a firm, ivory-colored skin, creamy texture, and mild flavor. If you are preparing a dish with short cooking time, you may add white beans in the recipe. The texture of white beans enables them to absorb the flavors well. You can include white beans in chili or soup recipes. These are also used in salads. Red lobia. Red lobia has a slightly nutty, somewhat more prominent flavor than white lobia. You can add red lobia in dishes with a much longer cooking time. Red lobia is also used in soups, chili, stews, casseroles, and salads. Lobia benefits for your health. Lobia is known for a number of potential health benefits. Let's get to know what lobia can do for your health. Good for pregnant women. If you are an expecting mother, you must add lobia in your diet. You can make salads and add lobia in them, sprinkle some rock salt and lemon juice, and enjoy it to the fullest. Lobia contains folate, which is required in the first trimester. It helps in a baby's proper brain development. This mineral ensures that the baby does not develop any brain dysfunction or spinal cord abnormality. A diet rich in folic acid or folate can significantly reduce the risk of such diseases in your baby. You need a lot of proteins and iron during pregnancy. So adding food like lobia to your diet can give you these minerals in a natural way. That's how lobia benefits in pregnancy can be enhanced. Aids in weight loss. You may have a query: is lobia good for weight loss? Well, absolutely yes. The dietary fiber in lobia helps in flushing out the toxins, accumulated fat, and cellulite from the body. Lobia contains lesser calories and it is free from bad cholesterol that adds weight to the body. Lobia has low sodium content. All these qualities make lobia a great nutritious choice for you to have a healthy weight loss. You can consume lobia to shed those extra pounds naturally. Proper sleep. Lobia is rich in magnesium and the compound tryptophan. It has nerve-relaxing properties. If you take lobia for dinner, it calms down your stressed nerves and promotes better sleep. This is one of the best lobia health benefits for those who have sleep-deprived or have chronic insomnia. Keeps cholesterol levels